The Genesis G80 2025 continues to solidify Genesis as a leader in luxury sedans, offering a blend of modern elegance, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. Competing directly with high-end models like the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class, the 2025 G80 showcases both the brand's refined design philosophy and its commitment to innovative engineering. The G80 promises a sophisticated driving experience that appeals to those who value both style and substance. Exterior. The exterior of the Genesis G80 2025 exudes sophistication and modernity. Featuring a bold, wide grille framed by Genesis's signature quad LED headlights, the G80 strikes a memorable first impression. Its sculpted lines and aerodynamic profile give it a sleek yet powerful presence on the road. The rear design includes elegant taillights that mirror the front's lighting pattern, enhancing the vehicle's cohesive and upscale look. Available in various trim options, the 2025 G80 allows buyers to personalize their experience to suit their taste. The Genesis G80 2025 offers a range of stylish and functional wheels to enhance both performance and aesthetics. Available in 18-inch, 19-inch, and 20-inch sizes, each set is designed to complement the sedan's luxurious look while improving handling and ride quality. Interior inside, the 2025 Genesis G80 is all about luxury and innovation. The cabin is crafted with premium materials like Napa leather, real wood trims, and metal accents, ensuring an upscale feel. It's designed with both driver and passenger comfort in mind, offering spacious seating, ambient lighting, and a meticulously crafted dashboard. The car is equipped with an advanced infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display, intuitive controls, and seamless smartphone integration. Both front and rear passengers will appreciate the generous legroom and ultra-quiet interior, providing an unmatched level of comfort. Color options. The Genesis G80 2025 offers a sophisticated range of color choices that enhance its elegant design. Exterior options include shades like Himalayan gray, Adriatic blue, and Savile silver, while interior options range from classic black and beige to exclusive tones like Bordeaux brown. These choices allow buyers to create a unique and personalized look. Fuel efficiency. The Genesis G80 2025 is designed with performance and fuel efficiency in mind. Depending on the engine choice, fuel economy for the G80 remains competitive within the luxury sedan segment. Equipped with either a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 or a more powerful 3.5-liter V6, the G80 balances power with fuel-conscious engineering, offering impressive efficiency for its class without compromising on performance. Price. The 2025 Genesis G80 is competitively priced, offering exceptional value compared to other luxury sedans in its category. The base model starts around $55,000, with prices varying based on trim level and added features. For those looking to maximize luxury, additional packages and upgrades are available, such as advanced safety options and exclusive interior materials. Safety is a top priority for Genesis, and the G80 2025 is equipped with advanced safety features designed to protect both the driver and passengers. Standard safety systems include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. The vehicle also boasts a suite of driver assistance technologies like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system, providing added confidence on the road. With these features, the G80 is a reliable choice for anyone looking to prioritize safety without sacrificing luxury. The Genesis G80 2025 is an impressive contender in the luxury sedan market, providing a balanced mix of style, comfort, technology, and performance at a competitive price point.